We are going to cross the road. Darling, we need to cross the road. Today we are going to shopping. We are going landmark. So on the right side you can see a stock building. On left side you can see PSC, Philippine Stock Exchange building. We can move ahead. My daughter is very like to walk. We need to go left side. Go to landmark. Then my daughter can't walk more, but she needs to walk. On the right side you can see there is a high street, Bonifacio High Street. We are going to left side and need to turn to right side from next color light. ඔන්න දැන් අපි පේන දුරින් ඉන්නේ. Shangri-La Hotel at the Fort Manila. I think this is entrance. In the BGC there are not going any buses. Only BGC buses are going inside the BGC. Others are all personal vehicles. There are a lot of vehicles. We cross the road and move to forward. දැන් අපිට ලෑන්ඩ්මාර්ක් එක පේන දුරින් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට පේනවා ඇති left side එකේ. We just arrived landmark and need to cross the road. Now we are going to landmark.